Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arya. Today we will present about research methodology. The title is Analysis Using RMC, Dr. Jane. Next slide, please. Okay, this is a list of our member. There is five of them. Next slide. Why? First is topic comparison of unsupervised visual tracking method for real-time mobile application. Why the author wants to choose this research title? Because this research is to evaluate how the different unsupervised visual tracking algorithms perform when implement on a mobile robot that operate in a real-time environment. Unlike a supervised method, unsupervised tracking does not rely on reliable data, make it more flexible and suitable for dynamic and unknown surroundings. Next slide will be explained by Aura.
Okay, thank you, Arya. My name is Aura Azahra. I will explain about research problem. This research focuses on finding a visual tracking method that is fast, efficient, and suitable for real-time mobile robot. Many exciting method, as many exciting method, especially deep learning-based approaches require high computation and labeled data, making them difficult to apply in real-world condition. Okay, next will be explained by Marcel.
Thank you, Aura. My name is Marcelinda Saputri Manalu. I will explain objective. The objective of the study to evaluate and compare the performance of three unsupervised visual tracking methods, namely particle filter, optical flow, and CSRT for real-time object tracking on mobile robots. This research aims to determine which methods provides the best balance between accuracy, processing speed, and computational efficiency without requiring training data. In addition, the data analyzes the ability of its methods to handle challenging conditions such as change in object scale, lighting variation, motion blur, particle occlusion, and sudden movements. Next will be explained by Talia.
Thank you, Marcelinda Syaputri. I will explain the theory. My name is Vinatalia Damanik. I will explain the theory. In this study, particle filter is used as an effective probabilistic estimation-based tracking method to handle nonlinear motion and complex conditions, and is strengthened by the ORB future and constant velocity motion models and constant velocity vectors. Optical flow is applied to track pixel movement between frames using the fast and the efficient Lucas-Canat algorithm, making it very suitable for real-time tracking needs. Meanwhile, the channel and spatial reliability tracker is designed to produce high tracking accuracy through the use of precise bounding boxes and the utilization of the histogram of the oriented gradients feature and spatial information to maintain tracking stability. Next, we'll explain by Daniel.
Yeah, now I will explain about this method. The research method employed in this study is a comparative study with an experimental approach which compares the performance of three unsupervised visual tracking methods, namely particle filters, optical flow, and the channel and spatial reliability trackers. The study utilized a comparative experimental approach to evaluate three specific unsupervised visual tracking algorithms implemented on a mobile robot platform. First is particle filter, a sequential Monte Carlo approach that uses a collection of particles to represent the target state, interrogating prediction, measurement, and resampling. Second is optical flow, specifically the Lucas-Canade method, which tracks motion by assuming pixel intensity remains constant as an object moves between frames. Third is experimental setup versus hardware. The tests were conducted using a 1.10 scale mobile robot equipped with a camera and a Jetson Nano developer kit. Second is dataset. The researchers create a custom dataset consisting of 2090 images capturing an RC car moving at speed up to 2 amperes. This dataset includes challenges like abrupt movement, lightning variation, blurring, and partial occlusions. Third is metric. Performance was measured based on root mean squares errors for accuracy and frames per second per computation efficiency. Next is novelty. This research has direct comparison of particle filters, optical flow, and CSRT for real-time mobile robot. Originally lies in evaluates under identical condition using accuracy and FPS. The research contributes practical guidance for selecting efficient unsupervised tracking method. The novelty of this research lies in its specific focus on unsupervised method for real-time mobile robotic, providing a practical alternative to data-heavy deep learning approach. Independence from mobile data, unlike deep learning-based tracker that require extensive pre-training and large-level dataset, this unsupervised method utilizes motion information in real time, making them suitable for tracking unknown objects in dynamic environment. Direct comparison for research-constrained hardware. The study provides a head-to-head comparison of these three popular methods specifically on low-power edge device. This offers practical guidance for developer choosing between accuracy and speed in mobile robot application. Performance benchmarking. The research established that optical flow is the most effective for real-time application. In this context, achieving 30 fps with the lowest error, significantly outperforming CSRT for fps, and particle filter 13 fps in both speed and accuracy. For the reference, we take the reference from performance comparison of particle filters, optical flow, and CSRT in unsupervised visual tracking for mobile robots. Its current edition is Sinta 2. Next, I'll give it back to Arya.
Okay, thank you, Daniel. This is our presentation about the analysis using RMC Dr. Jean. Thank you for everyone who listening our presentation. Thank you.